Welcome back, guys. So right now let's talk about broken links. So one of the ways your website could be affected by search engine is you having a broken link. When you have a broken link, it might discourage search engines to crawl your website. So you have to ensure that your website does not have any broken link. How do you do that? So with the all-in-one SEO plugin we installed or we activated, we can use the broken link session to check for that. So these broken links is part of the all-in-one SEO package we installed. So I'm going to come to broken links right here. And I'm going to come to broken links. I'm going to see go to settings. So you could check your settings right here. And here in the settings, you need to create a free account. Yes, so let's create a free account right now. So I'm going to create that, and having to create that, we'll be able to see. Now you can see there's a free plan, and the free plan says the links it will check is 200, and the plan is for free, and month is one, site is one, so it's $0 per month. Yes, for 200 links. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to register right away. So I'm going to register with whatever I want to register with. So I'll register with info at bloodcreative.com. Yes, and I'll input my phone number 08117267968, and my first name would be Beloved. Yes, and the last name would be Adejigbe. Yes, and I'm going to create an account right away. So I'm going to create an account now. You'll see select account password. So I need to input a password. So let me input that right away. I will input a password right now. And yes, I just inputted the password. Then it says I should select a payment method, which says you will not be charged for your first 100 links. We ask for your credit card information to prevent spam registration. Okay, so now I'll have to input a credit card information, so I'll use that. Yes, I'll use one that I had here, and my postcode is optional, so I'm going to complete my checkout. So I'm going to complete my checkout right now. I'm going to have this completed. So that's how to get these accounts for free. So having to get this account for free, this is your broken link checker. Yes, so I'm going to save that. So the checkout page enrolled currently, please refresh this page in the browser to try again. So I'm going to return to pricing page. Yes, let's return to pricing page, and let's have this. Okay, so we are going to create the free account. Let's do it again. Okay, so let's try it again. The payment method was declined, so let me try it again. Let me complete my checkout right now, and let's see if it goes right now. So here we are, and we are trying to complete this whole setup. So all I did was to use my virtual card to process the payment, and let's see. And now my account has been connected. So let's proceed right now. So that's the first thing you do. So you create a free account. Now you could check for your broken link. So I have a total quota of 200 links, which renews 5, which is May 20, 2025. To unlock a higher quota, consider upgrading to Pro. So let's see what the Pro pricing is. Let's see what that will be. So where you check the pricing right here. So we can go ahead to scan for the links, but for now, see the link tweaks. It says stop search engines from following broken links. Yes, don't update the modified dates for a page post when a link is updated. These settings only apply to the content of posts, not comments or custom feeds. Yes, and highlight broken links. Choose whether broken links should be marked on the front end where you are logged in. Broken links will be underlined in red like this. Yes, so let's do that, and let's check the advanced settings. So post types include all post types. Yes, post types published, scheduled. Okay, just let's leave it at published. Yes, published and scheduled. Then we're going to have that. So we're going to exclude post. No, just leave it like this. Uninstall broken link checker. No. So I'm going to save these changes, and having to save these changes, we have that, and we can still go on and check out what's next to do. So that is the broken link checker, and when we come here, we'll see we are going to scan for links, and we are going to be sure if there is any broken link. but right now we don't have a broken link yet, and that's what try means. So this is a scanner you use to scan for broken links, just to ensure that your web pages does not have a broken link. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.